Dealerships are known for giving vehicle owners less than what is deserved for their vehicle when traded in. Selling privately is the best way to get the full value for your vehicle that vehicle owners deserve, and Facebook Marketplace is a great resource to use in doing so. In the past, I've sold my four-wheeler snowmobile and my biggest sale being my previous pickup truck. At the dealership, I was offered $2,000, and in the end, I sold it for $5,200 on Marketplace. When selling your vehicle on Marketplace, it is essential to log on, create a detailed post, and have the correct selling price to maximize your revenue. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes to complete and is simple and profitable to do so. So the first step is to go to Google, search Facebook, find Facebook, log in and create an account if you don't already. Go to Marketplace in the top row here, the third icon, and then on the left you will see create new listing in the blue box and click that. And then we are selling a vehicle, so we're going to press vehicle for sale. And then this is where we will enter all our information in order to sell our vehicle. So next we will decide what we want to sell our vehicle for. So in order to do that, we are going to use Kelley Blue Book to help us figure out what our vehicle is actually worth. And we're going to go to My Car's Value. We're going to enter in our vehicle information. And we're going to enter in our zip code as well, which gives us a more realistic price for our vehicle in our area. And then we are going to select all our options for our vehicle in order to give us the most accurate price. And the best way to do it is to select your options instead of price with standard equipment to make sure that you are pricing your vehicle with everything that you have in your vehicle. And then you're going to select your get trade-in and private party values. And then you're going to select the condition of your vehicle. And then it's going to calculate your value of your vehicle for you, average and a range price. And you're going to click on private party. And this is going to give you the range, price range for your vehicle and the average price for your vehicle in your condition in your area. And it also tells you other information on it. So we are going to use this range to figure out our price. So we're going to go to Facebook and we're going to enter in this price into our price box on the left side. And I have already done so. And if we go back, you will see I've already entered the information, but the information to enter on the left side is your vehicle type. You upload pictures describing your vehicle, showing the key points of everyone that wants to see. And then you're going to enter in your information like the year, make, model, trim level, mileage, your price, and that it's a truck, exterior and interior colors, condition, fuel type, and transmission type. And then you're also going to include a description in your in the post that talks about the key selling points of the truck, any problems that it may have, and any extra contact information. And then you can see in the center here is a preview of what a possible buyer will see when they search Marketplace for a vehicle and they see your vehicle, and they can go through the pictures and they can see your location, your general location, and any information. And then you're going to press next. And again, it just talks about your general location. You press next again. And then talks about where you want to publish this post. And the majority of people publish it publicly in Marketplace, or you can add it to a group. And once you select where you want to publish, you publish your post, and then you will eagerly be waiting for possible buyers to contact you about the vehicle. When you're finished, you have created a login account to use Marketplace. If you didn't have one already, you use Kelley Blue Book to estimate what your vehicle should be worth and listed it for sale on one of the most popular selling platforms on the internet today. After completing these steps in the proper order, you will have maximized your potential profit on your vehicle. It can be intimidating to go about this task, but when you walk through the process, that takes little time to do so. You will have earned yourself more money now than the dealership could ever give you for your vehicle because you have removed the middleman from the process. Dealerships are always on the lookout to make a quick buck, and they want your vehicle to do so. But remember that you always know what is best for yourself when it comes down to the final dollar.